And welcome back to the responsive design part of this class. Now, to start using Elementor's built-in responsive design features and tools, we'll have to jump into the editing mode. And so I'll hover over here, and if I click edit with Elementor, we'll be taken directly to editing the page itself, the main content, the hero section and the main body content. But if we hover over here and click navbar instead, we'll be taken to the place where we'll be editing the navbar only. And same case applies to the footer. So the first thing we want to do is edit navbar, because we want to start by making the navbar responsive. Alright, so here we are. We're able to edit the navbar and make it responsive. So to get started, the first thing we want to do is go down here and click this responsive mode icon to activate the responsive mode. And you'll notice that there's a pop-up bar right here at the top with these options. And as you can see, we have a tablet size and a mobile size. We want to start by looking at how the navbar looks on mobile screens. So when you click that, that's how it looks. It doesn't look quite presentable. So the first thing we want to do is push the logo to the left and this menu to the right. Now, one thing you need to bear in mind is that these are two columns housed within this section. Let's change to desktop mode for a second. So remember, this here is a double column section. It has one column, two columns. And so it occupies 100% of the screen. So essentially these two columns are divided into percentages of that 100%. So this could be 20% and this could be 80%. So when you switch to mobile device, to bring this logo to the left and the menu to the right, what we need to do is divide this 100% width by 2. So that's 50%, 50%. I'll click this column right here, the column that's holding the logo. And under layouts, column width, I'll type 50%. Just 50 like that. And now it's occupying 50%. You can tell by the border right here. So I'll select the menu column as well, and I'll do the same under layout, column width, 50%. And now the two of them are on the same line. The next thing we want to do is make this menu visible. Right now it's black. It's not easy to see by default. So in the next lesson, let's add some styling to the mobile menu. I'll see you shortly.